What's up guys? Today we're going to be doing some beginner data analytics in Python. So let's say that we have a master sales Excel sheet, but we also get a bunch of updates for new months in the form of different Excel files. Today we're going to write a Python script that adds a missing column to our update file and then appends it to our master file. To do this, we're going to need to use Pandas. Pandas is a widely used and powerful data analytics package for Python. If you're ever working with data in Python, there's a good chance you're using Pandas. We'll start off by creating a Pandas data frame variable for each of our Excel documents. We do this by saving the Excel documents in our working directory and then referencing them in the read Excel function. Next up, we'll add that missing profit column. With Pandas, you can reference a column in a Pandas data frame by specifying the name and putting it in brackets. You can also create new columns in this same fashion. In lines 8 and 9, we're creating a new column called profit, and it's going to be a subtraction of revenue minus cost of goods sold. In line 12, we're calling the Pandas concat function and appending our two Excel files. And there we'll call Pandas toExcel function and overwrite the original master file. Here we can see that our new data got added in and the profit column was also calculated correctly.